Hello everyone, just got through meeting the tree cutters out here. They just finished. They've been working on our land all week, cutting 14 huge 50, 80-foot oak trees, clearing land, getting ready to drop our house in after the winter here. We're putting a well and septic in out here on our land, and literally we're saving the wood so we can use it to make a patio, a deck, our fence all around the property. You can see we also got a lot of firewood to last us a very long time out here. We got to bring stump grinders in to grind these stumps down early this next week. But you can see we've got a lot of land cleared now to be able to put our house in. It's been such a blessing being able to get out to the country, grow the ministry, do what the Lord calls us to do, so we can be out working from Outpost outside the city and be far enough away from the city where it doesn't affect us, but close enough in we can get and do our work. That's what we're called to do here, particularly in these last days, as we know the cities are going to be a harbinger for more death, more destruction, more evil, more absence of God. And so, we want to raise our family and get started out here in the country. So that's what we're doing out here, making life changes. That's what the ministry is all about. It's about changing every aspect of our life to be in harmony with the Word of God, which is the truth. This is actually where we're going to put our house back over here in this area that we just got cleared. And so that's going to kind of be our porch, looking back over that way. And of course, the front and the back of our house will have a nice little view on our porch once we get through looking over this way. We're going to put a garden area, fruit trees, line right along this little ravine back here. We're going to put peaches, Japanese plums, apples, blueberry bushes, orange trees. Oh yeah, it's going to be great. Looking forward to it. All right, well, I'll give you another update maybe next week as progress goes. Lord's really been blessing here lately, particularly with this 4Q opportunity. I mean, literally making enough money to be able to pay for all this work out here cash has been a huge blessing. And, if you are interested in seeing how maybe you can make that move or how you can get yourself positioned financially so you can prepare for what's coming as well, physically, spiritually, and financially, hey, leave me a message, comment. You can reach out to me on the ministry, Making Life Changes. You can also chime us at our website, makinglifechanges.org, YouTube channel. And also, as far as on the 4Q, you can check it out at Making Crypto Moves at gmail.com, or you can go to our YouTube channel at Making Crypto Moves, or Making Crypto Moves at .4qlife.com. God bless y'all. Once again, my name is Harold Helm. I am making life changes, and you can too.